Hello, good morning. Today we are going to test an alternator and see if it is in good health. We're going to test the rewinding resistance to check if it needs rewinding. So first you need to do is separate all these wires from the panel. So you separate all the wires. These are the three phase that we separate, and then these are the neutral wires. We separate these, and then we separate these coil wires as well. Okay, now you see there are markings on the wires. It says W5, W2, V2, U2. What you have to do is test the value with U1 and U2, V1 and V2, W1 and W2, and then in cross U with V and W, V with U and W, W with U and V, and all three with the body. Now they should show the value 0 in this mega ohm test, and if it shows the value, which means it is short, it is in bad health. So what we'll do the test, we'll start with U1. As you see the label U1. Okay, we'll attach one end here, and then we will test, and we'll push the button. As you see, it is okay, it is 0. Now we'll test with the body and check. Now as you see, it is showing the value. It should not. So this is, now this is it is short with the body, so that means the winding is not good. Now we test U1 with V2. It should not show a value, but if it does, that means the winding is not okay. Now if we press the button, we see the value is going, still going, 1500, 1600, 700, 800. Okay, so it is beyond 2000 mega ohm, so it should not show the value. That means the coils are short with each other. Now U2 with W2, this one, we'll check this. Press the button, and as it is also showing the value, which means this coil is short with V and this value coil is short with W. Now we will do this, repeat the same test with V, and we check with V2, and it is 0. It is good. Now we check with the body. We check with the body of the stator. Press the button, and we see there is a value. There should not be a value. That means the winding is short with the body. Now we test V2 against W2, and you see the value, which means it is short. W2. Now we do with U2, V with U, it is showing the value, which means it is also short. So now we have already seen that U and V coil, they are short. We'll repeat the same test for the coil W and check the value. If it is showing value here, which means it is short, it is in bad health. It should not show a value. Okay, now this was the winding resistance test that you can perform to check if the winding is okay or not before you do the rewinding. Thank you.